going to upload the data. Our data set is same. Yeah, that is global super store data. You know Excel? Okay, you have knowledge of Excel. So you are you use power pivot table in Excel? Okay, so same way we can combine the data here. Let's suppose I'm going to drag this order sheet and drop into the Canva, this area. Fine. Let's make it bigger. Fine. So this is our data. Click on update now. So this is the data. Okay, same data. Let me show you here. This sheet, order sheet. This one. Right. See, row ID, order ID, row ID, order ID, order dates, ship dates, everything. So I want to convert it to the pivot. How to convert? Select all table. Okay, fine. Entire table. Done. This is the last row, last column. Now I want to choose uh, controls. Just press control and order date. Then leave control, customer name, again leave control. I want city and I want sales or profit. Okay, now right click, pivot, update now. So here order date, customer name, city and sales. Only 4 columns we have selected. So pivot field name, pivot field value, the 2 column automatically generated. Now see, New York, everywhere city is New York. Then Wollongong, Gong, Brisbane. So this way create a pivot, okay, and the sales value. And pivot field name like category, country, customer ID, market, order ID like that. Pivot field name. How to organize this? Pivot field value. Okay, this way we can create a pivot into the Tableau. Okay. So shall I repeat once again? Yes, 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 yes. So go and visualize the data. See, only pivoted part. City, customer name, order date, and sales. Okay, and whatever the graph you need, just create here. Let's suppose I want to create a city into the column. Okay, and customer name into the rows. Okay, and if I want cells into the text, or cells into the color, otherwise let's custom order date into the column, cells to the row. Okay, if I put this into the label, it's a pivot of order year and order date. If I add customer name into, let's suppose in color, not visible. Here. Oh my god, very complicated graph. Yes, yes, yeah. Because I drop into the color, customer name. So this way we can use pivot. Data interpreter. So what is data interpreter? Automatically clean messy Excel sheet steps. Connect Excel file on data source page. Check use data interpreter and useful for merge cell, extra header, note in Excel. How to do that? See, when we upload this data, go to data source. Okay, so this way data is visible like this. Okay, but when we use data interpreter, it's automatically clean the unnecessary things. Let's see how. I'm going to drag and drop back. Okay, and I'm going to upload new data. Drag and drop. So I have one more file. Let me show you how it's look like. Oh, maybe it's at the desktop. This file, new global superstore data. Double click. So I just modify this sheet. Okay, same data, but I modified. I created a header at the top, that is sales report, and created empty columns between. It's a selected rows like order date, customer name, city, states, sales and profit. Okay, these are the selected columns from the main sheet, this sheet. Okay, and I created a empty rows and even empty columns, rows and columns. Okay, I'm going to upload this sheet. Now I am going to upload this data without using interpreter. Okay, So just simply click on update now. See what happened. Whatever the empty columns say null, completely null. Okay, just open this sheet now. Okay, whatever, see, column B, column E, and column F are empty. Rows 6, rows 11, and rows 13 like that are empty. So go to the Tableau. See, row 2 here, then row 5, sorry, column, yeah, column 5. It's so null values. Okay, so without I use without interpreter, so it's include this line also. Okay, I'm going to use interpreter. If I click on this, you see, use data interpreter. Okay, click on that and just click update. See what happens. No empty columns. Okay. Yes, and after that you can create a charts. This, yeah, it's clean the unnecessary data, unnecessary column because of this uh, data interpreter. Okay, automatically clean messy Excel sheet. Step continue Excel file on data source package. Check use data interpreter. Merge cell extra header or note in Excel. Useful for. Okay. So that is called data interpreter. Now we can use to create a graphs and all. Now, okay, just close this. And when you open the tableau. Now next uh, uh, topic is joins and unions. Okay. So what is joins? Combining tables using common field. Okay. Like order table, customer table, and common field is customer ID. So let's go to the sheet and try to understand. In this sheet, in global superstore data, we have three sheets: order sheet, then return sheet, and people sheet. Observing. So see, what is this order ID? Order ID, row ID, order date. Okay, go to the return sheet. So return date, then order ID and market. So what is the common? Order ID and maybe market also. Let's go to the order sheet. So here order ID and market is where? And we are here. So this is the common columns between these two, return and the people. Okay, order ID and the markets. Fine. So this way, combining table using common field like order table and common table. Common field is customer ID. So in this case, common field is order ID and market. Okay. Now type of join. How many type of join? Inner join. Inner join. Inner join. After that, left join. Then right join. Then full outer join. Okay. After that, union. So let's discuss joins. How to create joins? joining the tables. Fine. So how to create a joins? So upload the same Excel sheet. Okay. So here, before going to drag and drop, let's discuss the theory part. So okay, joins. After that, type of join is inner join. What is inner join? Return matching records from the both the table. Okay, example, only customer existing in both the table. Okay, connect first table, drag second table, click join icon, select inner join, choose matching fields. Okay, then left join, all record from the left hand side. Let me create see, go to, yeah, database join. Same, I think if you are familiar, then I'm not going to describe in details. Let's only okay. Let's try to understand with this figure. Okay, so uh, for inner join, if this area is called inner, okay, combination of both the, yes. So this is the inner join. Okay, if I say left join, how to create a left join? The two circle like this, and left join means entire thing from the left hand side and selected field from the right hand side. Okay, so this will create left hand join. Okay, similarly for right join, right hand area, two circle. Okay, here to here, here to here, here to here. Okay, so right, similarly if I said full outer joints means, let's draw a figure, circle, again a circle. If I said full outer joints means full outer. Okay, full outer. Okay, so hope you understand what is full outer. Okay, and you also understand about inner left, right, and inner joint. Now let's create on the Tableau. How to create it? See, drag. Okay, before that joins, let's go and discuss the common things. See, in this order sheet, order ID and market is the common between return. Okay, and what about the people? So reason and the person. Let's go to the sheet. Person is, copy this person and go to sheet, and I think customer name, no, control F and control V, find it. See, under the customer name it's fine here, customer name. Okay, So in people seed, customer name and the reason are the common. So customer name and where is the reason? Reason is here. Okay. So now you understand the common between this order sheet and return sheet, and order sheet and the people sheet. Now you understand the common things. Yeah. Now, so we are going to use a join. So I'm going to drag this order into Canva. Okay. Before going to, okay, if you want to check this update, fine. Now I want to create a join. So on this order, double click. So let's go inside. Okay. Now wait. Okay. Now I'm going to choose people seat and drag and drop here. See which join? Which join? Inner join. Now update. What is the meaning of inner join? The matching record from left hand side and matching record from right hand side. Only that data is available here. Okay. Now this is inner join because uh, inner data from left hand side, inner data from right hand side. Now click on this. See, inner join, left join, right, and full outer join. Okay. So if I click on left, okay, and if you want to choose, see, order ID. Where is the order ID here? And in people seat, create a join group. Whatever. People seat. Let's go to the people seat. Because there is a reason in the person. So already chosen person or reason. Let's suppose this one. Okay, and then update. Right now. So all the records from left hand table, that is order table, and matching record from the right hand side. Okay, that is called left join. Similarly, click on right join. Okay, now instead of these people, if you want, you can choose return. Wait. Okay, it's creating a union. No problem. If you want, yeah, okay. So you can do for any other table also. Okay, see, it's created null because it's choose all the data from right hand side, and right hand side, what is right hand side data? It's a people, no data. Yeah, so that's why this part is empty, 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 and the last two rows are common data. Okay, that is called right join. And if you go for full outer join, all the data either from the order sheet or people sheet, click OK. Okay, so this is full outer join. Okay, so this is called joins. Right hand joins, left hand joins, inner join, and outer joins. Okay, drag and drop. So click on this, you will get the joins, all the kind of joins. If you don't want, let's drag and drag and drop back to the area and drag and drop this also. Okay, gone. All the seats are gone. After that, so all the joints are completed. Left, right, inner join, full outer joint done. Then we have a union. What is union? What is union? Combining row from the multiple table. Like example, January sales, February sales. Union stack row vertically. Step for union: drag and drop. Drag first table and drag second table below first table, create union. Let's try. According to this step, drag first table. So this is the first table into the Canva. After that, drag second table below the first. Okay. So people below the table. Okay. See, union here created. Just drop on this. See, a union created. This is the sign of union here. Now update. Okay. So go to the last. See this: person, sheet, order, and table name. This last three column was created because of the union. Okay, if you want to create a graph now, go to the sheet and create a graph. See, any graph if you want to create. Customer name and category, and quantity into the size. Yeah, yeah. Hello. Quantity into the size. So created this kind of charts. If you want, if I choose, yeah, fine. See, that is called union. Okay. And wildcard union, this is not available in our web version, that is Tableau public. It's not available. Okay. So we have to know about the desktop version of Tableau, then we can find everything. After that, null values. How to find the null values? See, let me drag and drop. Done. So dragging order sheet and drop into the Canva. Fine. Now let's take this up, make this bigger size. Update now. So it will show you the data which is available in order sheet now. slowly moving the data. See what is this postal code? So null values are here. Again null values. So I'm going to replace this null value. How to replace? Choose. If I click on this, see, it's arrange ascending order. Uh, Again, let me click on this again. Okay, normal format. So now choose, right click, go to aliases, and then here null value, double click, anything, zero or anything like no data, anything. I am going to put zero, enter, and cancel this and go to update. So at postal code, see, now become zero. So this way we can replace the null values. So after that we have a cross data join, extract, data extraction and data blending. I want to discuss it tomorrow because it's already 11:05 here. Okay, and we will finish this module and we will jump for the module 5th. Okay, also we will try to install Tableau desktop. Okay, yeah, why not? So after this cross database and data extraction and data blending, we can start from tomorrow. Null is done. Null value we done. Replace the null values. How to missing check values are now. Okay. If I find anything, something new, I will discuss. Okay. Okay then. Bye. Yeah, yeah, I will upload. Actually, from 2 days, I'm little disturbed because I went to the outside, out of station. That's why it's difficult for me to upload. Now I'm going to upload it. Okay. All right. Welcome. Good night.